students, welcome to the e-learning classes of Rogers Academy. My name is Shivani Gurung and I'll be taking your SST. Firstly, let me welcome all of you to class 5 and a very big congratulations to each and every one of you. As you know, looking at the current situation, we are not able to go to school, but still we have to study and we have to study from home. So this is the first e-learning class that I'm beginning with all of you. And the very first chapter of SST is the Stone Age, a Wanderer Life. Okay, so before we begin, I would request all of you to just check your book, My World and I, name of the book. Okay, let me just show you. Wait, yeah, this one is the book. Please take it out, this book, a rough copy, pencil and eraser, whichever is okay to you. So as I'm teaching, please make sure you write it down, okay, or just try to understand. Please listen very carefully. As we human beings have arrived on this planet called Earth, were we like this, like the way we are today, standing upright, posture is straight, this body features, were we like this at the very beginning? No, right? Human beings have evolved slowly over a period of time. We were not like this. Basically, our ancestors, when they arrived on Earth, they were not like this. They don't look like the way we look right now. They used to look very different. If you have looked into the evolution of the human being, then you will surely know how they used to look. It is in the very first page of your book. If you want to read or see, you can just refer it. Page number 9. See, though here only 3 human beings have been mentioned, that is Homo Habilis, Homo erectus and Homo Sapiens. But they were the oldest human on this planet was called as Dryopithecus. Okay, what was the name of the thing? Of that man or a human? It's Dryopithecus. Then it came Romapithecus, then Australopithecus, Homo Habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthals, Homo sapiens fossils and Homo sapiens. And that is, Homo sapiens means we. We are the earliest evolved human being. That is we. The body features that we have is the Homo sapiens. That's why we are called as Homo sapiens. Okay. So there's a trick for learning this. I'll let you know later. But right now we'll just study about the 3 humans that have been discussed in this book. That is Homo Habilis. Now, what were the features of this Homo Habilis? The Homo Habilis were very small, and they were the first one to make the use of the stone. Okay, they were the first one to discover stone and also the first one to discover fire. So they started hitting the stone and then the fire just bursted up. So they were the first men on the planet. They were the men who had encountered stone. Okay, and the next one was Homo erectus. They were also called as the upright man, the erect one. Their back had become straight. Okay, if you can see the man, Homo habilis is not that straight, but when it comes to upright man, that is Homo erectus, the body have become upright, straight. Then we come to Homo sapiens, that they are often called as the thinking man, because we are different from animals. How? Because animals cannot think, and we humans, that is Homo sapiens, have the ability to think, to be rational, to be logical. Okay, we have been on the earth for less than 1,000 years. We are not here for a longer period of time, but only just 1,000 years, and we have learned to use many different tools and weapons over a period of time. So today, the kind of stone age that we will be talking about will be a wanderer life. At this age, or at this point of, or this phase, people were not settled. They were nomadic. Nomadic are the one who keeps on moving from one place to another in search of food and shelter. So similarly, these people of this age, or this first, that is Paleolithic age or Old Stone Age, they were the wanderer. They were not settled down. Okay, that's why it's called as the wanderer. Now this wanderer life or the Stone Age period can also be divided into 3 phases. That is Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Now what does Paleolithic means? Paleolithic means Old Stone Age. Mesolithic means Middle Stone Age. And Neolithic means New Stone Age. Okay, so these are the 3 phases of the Stone Age, a wanderer life. when they were completely not settled down. They didn't have the home or the shelter to live in. Okay, now in the next class I will explain you these three phases of the Stone Age in detail. I hope till then it's very clear to you. I hope you have understood the Stone Age and how it came. It was started by Homo Habilis. Okay, Homo Habilis were the one who had been the one who discovered stone, and they had started hitting stone to one another, and that's how they discovered fire. But until and unless they had discovered fire, they didn't had a settled life. When they discovered stone, then that began the starting of making, or the evolution of making weapons. Okay, and slowly and steadily they started down, to settle in their lives. That is how things have begun. Okay, till then I hope you have understood the chapter. Now in my next chapter I'll be explaining you these three kinds of the Stone Age. Okay, thank you so much, take care.